Hello, and welcome back to our channel. The topic of today's video is how to make $125 a day with YouTube automation. As you may already be aware, YouTube is one of the biggest and most well-liked video sharing platforms available, and many users are able to support themselves by producing content and earning money from their channels. However, it might take a lot of time and work to produce high-quality material and expand your channel. This is where automation comes in. It allows you to focus on producing high-quality content that resonates with your audience while saving time by automating specific tasks and processes. In this video, we'll walk you through setting up your YouTube account, producing interesting content, and utilizing automated tools and techniques to help you reach your daily income target of $125. We'll also go over a few more pointers and strategies that can help you expand the audience for your YouTube channel. Starting with the basics, we will walk you through the process of setting up your YouTube channel. If you don't already have a channel, we'll cover how to create one step by step. The first step to making money with YouTube automation is to start a YouTube channel. You must create a channel if one doesn't already exist. Here's how to get you started. Step 1 is, go to YouTube and select Sign In from the menu that appears in the top right corner of the screen. If you do not already have one, you must create a Google account. Step 2. Once you have signed in, click on your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen. It will display a drop-down menu. Choose Create a Channel from the list of options. Step 3. After that, a prompt to create your channel will appear. You'll need to upload a profile photo and provide your channel name. Your channel name needs to be unique and descriptive. It's important to pick a name that precisely conveys your area of expertise or the kind of content you'll be creating. Step 4. After you've entered your channel name and uploaded a profile picture, click on the Create Channel button. Congratulations! You've now set up your YouTube channel. It's important to note that once you've created your channel, you'll need to customize it to make it more visually appealing and user-friendly. You can customize your channel by adding a cover photo, creating playlists, and organizing your videos. By putting keywords in your channel description, giving your videos appropriate tags, and coming up with catchy video titles, you may improve the metadata for your channel. In order to rank better in search results and bring in more viewers, your metadata can be improved. The next step after setting up your YouTube channel is to start producing high-quality material that will attract users and enable YouTube automation of your income. Building a successful YouTube channel is primarily based on producing engaging content. The following advice can help you produce outstanding content. Tip 1. Choose a niche. The first step in creating content is to choose a niche or topic that you are passionate about. You should choose a topic that has a large audience and that you have a genuine interest in. This will help you create videos that are interesting and engaging to your viewers. Tip 2. Do your research. Once you've chosen your niche, it's important to do your research. Look at what other YouTubers in your niche are doing and try to find a way to stand out. You can do this by offering a unique perspective, creating different types of content, or focusing on a specific sub-niche within your niche. Tip 3. Invest in good equipment. The quality of your videos can be greatly enhanced by making a decent equipment investment. Although you don't need to spend a bunch on equipment, having a good camera and microphone can improve the visual and sound quality of your videos. You can use your smartphone camera and a basic microphone when you first start out, but as your channel grows, think about investing in better equipment. Tip 4. Edit your videos. Editing your videos can make a big difference in the overall quality of your content. Use editing software to add transitions, music, and other effects to your videos. This will make your videos more engaging and help keep your viewers interested. When creating content for your YouTube channel, it's important to keep your audience in mind. Make sure your videos are interesting and engaging, and provide value to your viewers. Your videos need to be informative, enjoyable, or both. You can also ask your viewers for feedback and suggestions on what content they would like to see on your channel. Now that you have your YouTube channel and content ready, it's time to set up automation to streamline your work and make the process easier. Here are some tools and strategies that you can use. Tool 1. TubeBuddy. With the help of the browser extension TubeBuddy, you can find helpful keywords and optimize your movies for search engines. It provides a variety of functions, including competitor analysis, tag suggestions, keyword research, and more. You can save time and make your films more visible with the help of TubeBuddy. Tool 2. VidHue, another tool that can help you optimize your videos and get more views. It offers features such as keyword research, tag suggestions, analytics, and more. VidHue can help you identify trends in your niche and optimize your videos accordingly. Schedule your videos. You can use a scheduling tool to upload your videos at a specific time and day. This can help you stay consistent with your content and ensure that your viewers know when to expect new videos. You can use tools such as Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule your videos in advance. Use autoresponders. You can set up an autoresponder to automatically respond to comments and messages. This can help you save time and ensure that your viewers feel heard and appreciated. You can use tools such as ManyChat or ChatFuel to set up an autoresponder for your YouTube channel. Hire a virtual assistant. You may hire a virtual assistant to assist you if you feel that you are overburdened with duties like video editing, keyword research, and social media advertising. You may save time and concentrate on producing excellent content for your channel with the help of a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are available on websites like Upwork and Fiverr. The last step is to make money off of your channel. To be eligible for monetization, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time over the last 12 months. Here are some strategies for making money through your channel. Here are a few methods. Method 1. Google AdSense. This is the most common way to monetize your channel. You can earn money by displaying ads on your videos. Method 2. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products and services in your videos and earn a commission for each sale. Method 3. Sponsorships. You can partner with brands and earn money by promoting their products or services. YouTube automation can make it easier for you to earn money on the platform. You must first establish your channel, produce excellent content, and then employ automation tools and techniques to streamline your labor. You can monetize your channel utilizing strategies like Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships if you have 1,000 members and 4,000 hours of viewing time. Keep in mind that building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but with commitment and determination, you may succeed and earn money on the platform. If you want some bonus tips, here we have some. Tip 1. Engage your audience by responding to comments, hosting live streaming, and building a community around your material. Tip 2. Work with other YouTubers. Working with other content producers in your specialized field will help you expand your audience and increase your subscriber count. Tip 3. Analyze your data. Use YouTube Analytics to track your performance and modify your plan as necessary. Tip 4. Stay consistent and post new videos frequently to maintain viewer interest and expand your channel. And Tip 5. Keep up with trends. Create content centered around the issues that are popular around those topics. Thank you for watching, and we sincerely hope that this video has helped you learn how to use YouTube automation to make $125 each day. For more help on how to develop your YouTube channel and earn money on the site, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.